It is time now for Great Day Fashion. Our stylist, Debbie Wright, has been on the hunt for some great fall looks at bargain prices. We love that.
Yeah, she hit up the new Burlington Coat Factory in Enfield for some bargains. She's unbagging them for us. Hi, Debbie. So nice to see you. Look at your cute hat.
Oh my gosh, and this is one of my great finds, right? I mean, this is a trend we're seeing all the fashion bloggers wear, and they look so cute. So why not try one out for $19? And it's by Steve Madden. It's a great quality hat, but I love the color.
I love it. It's so cute. Now, would you wear that just outside? Like, how do you wear a hat? Only for outdoor activities?
No, so I'm totally just going to wear this today. I may put another layer on because it's a little chilly, but just with jeans and a little t-shirt, I mean, with a long cardigan or a short little crop jacket, wear it casual just for that little pop of style.
Well, it definitely works for if you don't want to wash your hair too.
True.
Okay, Debbie, you're going to unpack. I feel like we're watching the thing that all the kids do on TikTok.
Like a
where
haul.
They show their
we're
haul.
watching a haul.
Here's my haul.
That's right. This is our version of TikTok.
Okay.
Right? So I found really great slippers because I was feeling like I wanted a new pair because, again, that crisp air is happening. We're not turning on the heat in our homes quite yet. So $6.99 black furry, just really cute slippers.
Those are adorable, and that's a great price. And especially if you're thinking about stocking up for some holiday items, that's a great one.
That's exactly it. This is definitely like a give one, get one, right? Buy one for yourself and put one away for a gift.
Yes. Ooh, look at the fun yellow shoes.
Yes. And again, pops of color, style, whether it's accessories, hats, even sneakers, you know, just for taking on those fall walks. Really cute, bright yellow. These were also $19.99 by Pony. And I thought they were a great little pop with leggings and just, like I said, to go out and take those walks.
Yeah, so don't be afraid of color, right?
Do not be afraid of color. And that's the beauty of Burlington Coat Factory and shopping this way is that you can try and dip your toe into these trends without spending a lot of money and kind of give them a test run and see if you really like them and then maybe get a few more, right?
Yep.
So you guys are going to love this. I went on a dress extravaganza here. I bought so many, so I'll bring them into the studio because they are perfect for you guys for TV, but beautiful color. Again, don't be afraid of color. This dress by Calvin Klein, beautiful gold zipper detail, beautiful color, pretty sleeves, very simple and classic, was $24.99.
Like for us, we're always looking for the exact dress you're holding up, just like a simple colored dress with a cute sleeve. That's adorable.
Yeah, bright, solid colors.
Exactly.
That's the MO on TV for sure.
So I will bring these next week when I see you guys.
Ooh, I like the leather or the pleather or whatever it is.
Exactly. Just a nice little sheath dress. Again, some nice detailing with a gold accent, but this is all the trend right now. You can layer it. You can put a blazer over it. But really cute, really all season long. And this is also by Calvin Klein for $29.99. It's that gorgeous burgundy.
I love it.
That's cute.
Beautiful. And don't worry, because if you're looking for a little black dress,
oh my gosh,
this is definitely a
LBD,
destination. Look at that
cute.
little.
Obsessed
This
with
is so
Debbie.
you guys. This is so perfect for either one of you, but this is great for everyone. When you just need to update that little black dress, definitely head to Burlington Coat Factory. This also is $4.99. It's got a beautiful bow detail, very, very timeless, beautiful, easy to wear, little black dress, head there. And one more, you guys, in the dress category, this beautiful, really teal green. But look at that great detail in the neckline. I'm always looking for that little piece of differentiation, right? Just that little accent that really just adds that element of style and class. And each of these dresses has something a little different, but they're very easy to wear, very classic, and great color. For literally all of them were under $30.
That's amazing. That is amazing. Love it. And, you know, I love for little black dresses because Mondays or when it's hectic, I always remember, I don't know if it was you who told me, Debbie, but some stylists, black is never wrong. So if you're feeling like the day is complicated, you throw on your black dress and you're good to go.
I love it. And Debbie, I never would have thought to go to Burlington for dresses.
Me neither.
You know, I just always think of more casual clothes there. So that's great to know.
Oh, I'm glad. Yeah, it's a beautiful store. They had a lot of great options. It's easy to shop, really bright and really clean. It's a great experience. I definitely highly recommend checking it out.
So you went to the one in Enfield, but there are others closer to, depending on where you live in Connecticut. So think about going there. I wouldn't think either. Yeah.
And I'm going to try that hat. It looks so cute on Debbie. I'm going to try a hat and see if I can make it work.
You can totally make it work. It's not just for the Kentucky Derby.
Totally.
Or the beach.
Exactly.
Thanks so much, Debbie. Good to see you.
You're welcome. Take care, guys.
All right. Now that we've gotten all of our shopping done.
I know. I'm
Debbie,
like,
bring those
I'm
in.
gonna stop on the way home from work. I think there's one off the exit.